Yeah, good evening, everyone. I think some of the students are new for this batch, and some of the students are already available from the last two, three classes. Okay. So, but anyway, after 2 days, we are meeting, right? Let me discuss some few information about this course. Okay. So, myself, Prakash Babu, having 14 years of experience as a trainer. Okay. And here I'm starting the fourth batch of this DSA with Java, data structures and algorithms with Java, DSA batch 4. The timings of these classes every day, Monday to Friday, every day, the class will be there from 9 p.m. onwards. Okay. Maybe it will take 10 or 10, 15 like that. And the duration of this course is nothing but exactly 3 months duration will be there. 3 months duration will be there. Okay. So February, March, April. Okay. Max by April middle, we are going to wind up this course. And the fees for this course is nothing but 1,000 rupees. 999 is nothing but the fees. And you can contact to this number if you want to get registration. I think already some people registered for
Sir,
this.
your voice breaking, sir.
Sir, everyone, can you please confirm is my voice is breaking?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No,
the
no.
problem is from your side, sir. Please check. So the prerequisite for this course is compulsory. You should have a minimum idea about Java. Okay. Java compulsory you should know, sir. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you to understand the instructions what I'm giving. Okay. So already my previous classes. So this is the third class, I think. So already two classes. In the first class, I explained very clearly. So introduction to our DSA, and even we discussed syllabus also. Okay, what a syllabus we are going to take, how we are going to make the control flow. Okay, like in detail every topic wise I have given outline, okay, about the syllabus. So and the second class, sir, just we have discussed some algorithms like how you can able to swap two numbers. Okay, next and after that how to add an element into the linked list, something related to that we discussed. If you want to refer those videos, just I am sharing that particular link on the chat window. You can copy paste and you can refer that. Next, sir, I told core Java, core Java is very, very important for this. Okay. If you are a new person, sir, I don't know anything about core Java. Can I take parallelly core Java also means yes. My core Java classes are going to be started from tomorrow onwards. So at morning 8:15 a.m. Okay. So this is the link for that if you want to get registered for this also. Now, sir, syllabus I explained very clearly. Just have a look on that YouTube video, you'll get clarity. And yesterday we have seen how you can able to swap two numbers. Okay, so what is the logic behind that? We have
Hello, sir.
almost, sir, yes,
Yeah. What is the course fee of CoreJava, sir?
sir, it is 5,000,
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
right? Yeah, with the duration of 2 months, we are going to charge for 5,000. So you can get registered for that. First attend the demo. If your requirements got satisfied, you can join. Okay. Now what
Recording
is the,
sessions also, right?
yes,
We-
recording sessions also will be available.
yeah. Okay.
What
Up
is the
to
difference between collection and data structures? Collection and data structures both are same, but collections are predefined. Java people already implemented collections. Okay. But here we are going to write code for that. Okay. Linked list already it is there. But here I am going to write my own linked list. I will implement a program on that. That is the difference. Clear, Teja? Hmm. Yes, someone is asking another doubt. Right. So we have seen how you can able to swap uh, two numbers by using 5 logics are there, but I think I explained only two logics by using temporary variable how you can swap, and even by using multiplication and division how you can able to swap. I explained very clearly by taking diagram also. Okay, and creation of a class with some data, how you can able to create a class and how to implement that two string method, something like that we discussed, sir. Okay, so with the program implementation. Next and after that, I think we discussed about displaying or printing. Okay, displaying or printing or traversing the elements or objects present in the single linked list. How you can able to print a small piece of code, I explained very clearly in the last videos. Okay, just demo purposes, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Anyway, these things will be covered in detail. So one by one in the chapter, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I am going to start the actual topics. Okay. Introduction to data structures and algorithms. Somewhere theory part will be there here. Okay. Theory part will be there here, but don't worry. We are going to take the programming approaches also simultaneously. So next, sir, still how many demos are there? Maybe another two demos will be there. Another two demos will be there. Okay, so now in today's demo session I am going to take, sir, one more a small sorting application I want to talk. Okay, one more smart sorting technique I want to discuss. Sir, what is that sorting technique? Do you know? I think you have heard about this merge sort. Merge sort, sir, this is based on, it is based on, it is based on, okay, it is based on divide and conquer, divide and conquer technique. Sir, what is mean by divide and conquer? First we have to divide the entire data, sir. Okay, first we have to divide the entire data. So then what we have to do, we need to combine for the result. That is nothing but the main agenda. Okay, so I think there is one proverb is also there based on this. So if any problem is there, first we have to sort out that problem by dividing that big problem into some individual steps. Now I want to talk about this merge sort. Okay, I want to talk about this merge sort in a diagrammatic manner, in a very simple understandable format. Now listen carefully. Sir, how this merge sort is going to work? Okay, sir, here consider this is nothing but the numbers what I have. This is nothing but the numbers what I have. So I am taking the numbers in this state. So total how many numbers I am going to take here is around 5 elements I will take. Okay, so first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. So like that we have. Okay, like I have how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. Sir, what are those elements? What are those elements? Here, the first element what I have here is a 5, and the second element is nothing but a 1. Next element is 3. Next element is 4. Next element is 2. Like that I have. Sir, merge sort means if this is the data, so it is there in 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location. Sir, first we have to split this particular array or split this particular data into two parts. Okay. Sir, how you can able to divide? Based on n. N. What is the value of n here? Your n value. How many number of elements are there, sir, here? So we have 5 elements are there. Based on this, you have to calculate a mid value. Okay. So based on this, we have to calculate a mid value. Sir, 5 by 2. That means we are going to get 2. So in the left part, I will divide with the 2 elements. Okay. So in the right part, 5 minus 2 means what? 3 elements will be there. So here the elements are 3. So 4 and then And here the elements are nothing but a 5 and then 1. Like this I divided. Sir, again it is nothing but a sublist, right? We have how many elements are there? 2 elements. Sir, divide based on middle. 2 by 1, 2 by 2 means what? 1. So the first sublist is going to have the element called 5 and the second sublist is going to have the element called 1. Sir, still is there any possibility to divide this particular list? No. If you are having only one element, we have to stop that division, sir. Okay. Now, sir, this part also we have to divide, right? How many elements are there here? My number of elements is 3. And your middle value will become 3 by 2 means what? 1. So in the left side, it should contain only one element, that is 3. In the right side, it is going to have two elements like 4 and then again we have to divide this because it is not having two elements, sorry, one element. Now your n value is 2. Your middle will become 2 by 2 means what? 1. Sir, one element will be there here, that is 4, and another element will be there which is nothing but 2. Sir, how many times I divided until you are getting single element? Sir, I have divided the entire array into equal parts. Okay, this concept is called as dividing. Sir, we have divided a big list into small unit. Now what we have to do? We have to combine the elements. We have to combine the elements. Sir, to combine these elements, first I will take the elements which we have divided. Okay, what is the first element that we have? So the first element is nothing but 5. What is the second element we have? It is nothing but 1. Sir, what is the third element that we have? It is nothing but something like a 3. So what is the next element that we have? It is nothing but 4. Sir, what is the next element that we have? It is nothing but like this individual elements I got. Now we have to combine this. Sir, how to combine this to sort these elements? Don't worry, I will explain in detail again. Same style diagram. Can you please confirm up to this division process? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. It is better to use shapes in painting for diagrams. Yeah, it takes more time, Teja. Maybe today you are feeling comfortable, but to draw the diagram itself, it will take 15 minutes. So we should not waste the time. We need to put more concentration, okay, on our remaining parts. That is the reason. Mm. If I take symbols, then it is very happy for me because I can kill the times. But our main intention is to understand the concept. Yeah, Geeta, please cross check it once. It is very easy. Nothing is there here. Just we have divided, that's all. Please concentrate on the combining part. Okay. Now, sir, you have divided this entire list in this style. Can you please combine this? How to combine? First, we have to take these two elements. Why? Because at the time of dividing, this is nothing but the parameters which we have used for division. Same parameters we have to use for combining also. Make sure that that is the reason why I have written these values in the middle. So while combining also, you have to use these parameters. Sir, I am taking 5 and then 1. Okay. So what is the target array? You need two arrays, sorry, two elements, a container with the two elements. Sir, first I will take 5 and I will compare with first element. Is 5 is lesser than 1? No. So put 1 here and a 5 here. Like this we are going to take. Okay. Now, sir, for division, okay, for division of 4 and 2, sir, we have used some parameters. By using these two, try to combine. Sir, is 4 is less than 2? No. Then 2 will come here, 4 will come here. Sir, this combination, this combining is completed. This combining is completed. Now, Sir, how you have divided this? So how you have divided this? For this, whatever parameters you have used, you have to use same parameters for combining this 3 with this one. Sir, now with how many elements an array will be created? 3 elements. Sir, first we have to compare 3 with 2. Is 3 is lesser than 2? No. Then push 2. Then compare 3 with 4. Is 3 is lesser than 4? Yes. Then push 3. Is there any remaining elements in this array, sir? Yes, 4 is there. Try to push. Now, sir, for dividing this part and this part, that means this part and this part, whatever parameters we have used, now we have to use those parameters to combine. Sir, now your result will become how many elements? 5 elements. So take the first element, compare with 2. Is it less than? Yes, then keep here. So take the next element, 5. Is it less than 2? No, then place it. Sir, take 5, compare with 3. Is it less than? No, then place 3. Take 5, compare with 4. Is it less than? No, then take 4, then 5. So we will use algorithms for this. I will explain, okay, how it is going to work. Like this, the data, whatever we have here, is sorted in ascending order or not? Yes. Sir, same steps you can use even for descending order also. Okay. Sir, how we are going to use in descending order? Very simple. Here, whenever lesser element is coming, then we are putting. But now what we have to do? Whenever we are getting greater element, we have to copy. Okay. This is nothing but the technique what we have to use for merge sort. Sir, can you please confirm diagrammatically pictorial representation of this merge sort? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm everyone.
Yes, sure. Sir, I have a query.
Yes.
Actually, do you have any other batch timing wise?
No, sir. No, sir. This is the only batch we have. Another batches are there, but those batches are at the ending situation.
Okay, okay. Actually, this is my office timing, so that's why I'm asking.
Okay, okay. Actually,
But
we thought
not
that
an
this
issue.
was the comfortable time for everyone because 9 to 10 everyone will be free.
Yes, yes, sir. But actually, my client is from the US, so
Okay, okay,
my
okay.
shift timing is from 4 to.
Okay, okay.
That's okay. Like, I'll manage the time. There is a record session also available, sir. Like,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
this.
definitely. After completion of every class, so next
Okay.
day you can expect recording also.
Okay, okay. So I'll manage
You
that.
can go through that whenever you have a time, attend live sessions. Otherwise, you can go through the recordings. Sometimes
Okay,
we
okay.
will
Sure.
take the class on weekend. That
Mhm.
information I'm going to put it in WhatsApp group. So you can catch up all these things.
Okay, okay. Thank you
And
so much.
every recorded session, if you watch on the daily basis,
Mhm.
maximum problems will be solved.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
because suppose if I'm explaining anything, so
Mhm.
tomorrow if you watch this video, you have a liberty to ask doubts in the next class at least.
Yes, yes, sir.
Suppose if you are watching 1 week after or 2 weeks after, then it will be very difficult for me to handle also.
Yes, yes. Obviously. So
Okay.
I'll manage, sir. If there is a recorded section, I will manage.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
thank you.
Right. No
Thank you
problem.
so much.
Mm. Are we going to discuss time complexity and space complexity? Yes, Venkat, definitely. We are going to discuss time and space complexities also. That is very, very important, right?
Sir, how can we divide that array? Like,
Yes. What is your
yeah,
doubt?
like array in array, we have continuous memory locations, right? How can we separate those values?
We have methods are there. We can do that. I will show you. Do you want me to show the program?
Not complete program, but my doubt is that I'm
Yeah.
asking in top level only, not
Yes,
program.
yes. I understood. Just 1 second. I will show you that what you can call. See these things in detail. See data structures means compulsory. Everything will be in the form of diagrams. Majority of the part you can see. This is nothing but merge sort part 1. I have done the same example, divisions, right? So you can see merge sort algorithm is going to have one integer array A and a number of elements. If number of elements is less than 2, then don't do the sorting. Otherwise, I am creating a left array with middle 2 elements. I am creating right array with size minus middle. Then I will copy every element present in this main array to subarray, remaining elements into remaining subarray. Now again I will call the same merge sort for this one, and I will call the same merge sort for this one. So like this division will be there. At last merge algorithm is going to be performed. It is a recursion. So after making the calls for individuality, last we are going to take this array, left pointer, okay, right pointer, and middle value n minus middle. So like we are taking these two arrays and we are going to combine. So
Yes.
once if you combine, then it will be like this. Just now I explained, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we are taking some comparison like left less than right element, then push it into that. Like that, so see, you can see here with the different colors. So with the different tracing, I explained each and every step. Okay, like this,
Yeah.
if you, this is not sufficient. Once if the class is completed, you have to do the practice same thing by increasing the size of the elements. Then only you people will get clarity. And if you see that merge sort algorithm, if you want, so 1 second. Yeah, you can see. So algorithm, once if you understand, then converting into program is very simple. So this is merge sort algorithm, this is merge algorithm, and just I have created an array. So before sorting, what are the elements? After calling in ascending order, what are the elements? You can see before merge sort, these are the elements. After doing merge sort, this is the element. Like that, pin to pin, we are going to discuss. And
Yes.
if you see, this is nothing but a sorting and searching syllabus what we have here. Second, you can see here.
Yes.
So introduction to sorting, generating random values for sorting. So basics of sorting, arrays dot toString, arrays dot sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, merge sort, shell, counting, comparison of sorting algorithms,
Yeah. In this
selection of sorting, all these things. Mm.
in this list, first sorting is mentioned, right? After that, fetching is mentioned. But
Yes, yes.
fetching is the simplest thing than sorting, I think.
No,
Then
no,
why?
no, no, no. That is the wrong statement. Maybe in the introduction itself I have given. See, if the data is in sorting order, then only you have to perform searching operation.
Yeah, okay.
If you go to theater by taking your ticket, suppose if your seat number is A23, you will start comparing from the first seat, or based on the number you will go. Based on the number you will go, because
Yeah.
you know that the seats are already arranged in ascending order.
Yeah. But
So
in linear search, the order, I
that is
mean,
the problem. That is the problem with the linear search. When
yeah,
linear
okay.
search is best, if you have only 3 seats in the cinema theater, then if you go and if you compare 3 seats, it won't take much time. When you have 100 seats, definitely linear search is not good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. We will discuss about all these things. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. Then I have one doubt, one more doubt.
Yeah, please.
Like here, the concept is divide and conquer, right?
Mhm.
And we have, I mean, we have the one saying like unity is strength. So both are like opposite to each other.
Yeah, but see, there is one same thing. I will repeat with one more thing. If you want to get something, compulsory we have to lose something, right?
Yes,
Will
yes.
you accept? Yes. In some situations, some algorithms will give best performance. In some situations, some algorithms won't give best performance. You can see these many sorting techniques are there, but all
Yes.
the sorting techniques are not efficient. So based on the number of elements, suppose if the data is already in order, if the data is already in order, shell sort is going to give the best technique.
Yeah, okay.
So like that, based on the some parameters, we are going to decide.
Yeah, okay.
Right. Sir, any other queries? Is it clear up to this, whatever I explained? Can you please confirm, everyone? Sir, divide and conquer algorithms, only sorting? No, 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 no. We have so many things are there, Teja. We are going to discuss about that. Okay, not only sorting. We have so many things are there. Okay. Sir, any other queries? Please respond. Is everything is clear up to this? Right. Sir, now I want to explain two more concepts in today's session. Okay. So what is another concept is nothing but insertion of a new node, insertion of a new node in single linked list. Okay. I want to insert a new node in single linked list. So at beginning and ending. Okay, how you can able to insert a new node at the beginning and ending? Listen carefully. For this also I will take a diagram for you to understand. Can I make notes? No, no, no. You can write rough notes. Okay. So later anyway I will give the this running notes complete. Okay. Whatever important points are there, you can write it down. Okay. Ankit, better take a paper and pen instead of notebook. Try to take a paper and pen. You just write down the key points, whatever I'm going to take. Don't write statements, just diagrams, any such type of things are there. Once if the class is completed, anyway, I will upload in Google Drive, then you can make it a copy. It is very good recommended approach. Okay. Now, sir, observe carefully. I want to add the elements at linked list. I think maybe yesterday somewhere I explained how this linked list is going to work. For example, consider I have a single linked list is there in this state. Okay, I have a single linked list is there in this state. These things will be recap in usual patch also. Yes, yes. See, whatever I'm explaining is completely demo, sir. These things will be there in the movie also. Don't worry. Sir, this is nothing but my single linked list. What I have, listen carefully. Okay, like this I have. Last node is pointing to null, and this data is 10, this data is 15, this data is 20, and I think I have mentioned for you people, every data which is at the beginning is always represented with one word called head pointer will be there. So no other pointers will be there here. Sir, now what is my requirement? I want to add, okay, I want to add a node at a first location. I want to add a node. Sir, how you can able to do that? I have a piece of, sir, now observe carefully. Sir, first step is what? I'm going to create a node. So node, new node is equal to, so new node I'm creating with the data or with the value whatever you have, and the next field is null. Like this we are going to create a new data. Okay, sir, means what? A new node is going to be created like this. This is nothing but new node what we have. So its next field is null and the value is nothing but consider it is 5. So what is the name of this node? Just now we have given new node. It will become new node. Now, sir, what about the continuation instructions? Sir, we have to check. Okay, we have to check, is there any head or, okay, so we have to check, is there any head or not? If head is equal to null, okay, if head is equal to null, that means if head node is not there, your head will become new node. your head will become new node, and then we have to stop the process. But here already head node is there, right? So if your head node is not there, this will become head. Sir, my head node is there. Then your new node is there, right? Its next field will become head node. Its next field will become head node, and your head will become new node. Two instructions means what? Observe my links. Sir, here is this condition got satisfied? No. Then your new node is there, right? Its next field is referencing to head. This is the new node. So this new node link will be gone, and this one is referencing to the which node? Head node. Now your head will become new node. This is not head now. So this will become head. Sir, automatically a new node got inserted at the beginning or not? Yes. Simple step, sir. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, this much code we are going to write if you want to insert a new node at the first. But sir, already you have seen predefined class, right? We have list interface is there. Okay, list interface is there. So list is equal to, we are going to take new linked list. In Java, we have this collections. Someone asked at the beginning. Sir, there if you want to ask, if you want to add list dot add first of, you are going to take 5. That's all. It is predefined. But how this particular first method is going to work, add first method is going to work is nothing but this is the content, sir. This much thing is going to done in the background. That practically we are going to explore how it is going to work. Okay. Can you please confirm adding a node at the beginning of the linked list? Is it clear for everyone?
So new node is a predefined class or
No, no, no,
function.
no, no. We have to write, sir. Just think at the
Okay,
outline. Don't go for in details tactical representations, because
okay,
still the program is there. Sir, the word node is a data type or any other? We don't have any data type called a node. We are going to create a class to represent this linked list. See, you know very well, everything is represented in the form of a node like this. So which is having two fields. So we will create a class for this to represent data field and next field. No, I am not using C++, Geeta. I am taking the class by using Java. You can see in the title itself, we have data structures with Java. Okay. Any other queries, friends? Please respond. Any other queries?
No, no, my internet.
Right. Sir, at the beginning, okay, I want to insert the node at ending. What we have to do? So if you want to add the node at ending, sir, some steps you need to take. Okay, some steps you need to take. So inserting a node at end of linked list. Sir, how to insert this? Very simple. Already I have some nodes are there. Like this is nothing but one node. So this is nothing but another node. So this is nothing but another node. Like I have three nodes are there. Its next field is null, and its next field is referencing to this, and its next field is referencing to this. This is 11, this is 22, this is 33. And this node name we know very well. From the day one I am telling, it is nothing but head node. Like this we have. Excellent. Now I need to add the node. Where we have to add? Here, right? So this is my target. And next field is null. Let us consider the data is 99. And what is the name of this node? We know very well. New. See, this list just for physical representation, I have given three nodes are there. But strictly speaking, we can't give guarantee for these three. You may have 1,000 nodes also. Okay, sir, in such cases, the entire chain is represented by using this hook line only. So if you want to add at last, you need to move up to this. Sir, how you can move? Don't move head. If you move head, this link will be gone. So we have to maintain some other pointer. First, let me create the linked list. Okay, let me create the linked list. I mean, let me create the node. So node, new node is equal to, sir, I am creating a new node with 99 and the next field is nothing but null, like this. As usual condition, sir, if head of the family is not there, then you will become head. That means what? Your head will become new node. Then you can terminate the program. Suppose in your family already head is there. So then you are going to be attached at the ending. How to take that? Sir, node, I will take some temporary node is equal to head. Then means what? Sir, here this node will become some temporary node. This node will become, okay, some temporary node. Now I will move this temp. Sir, how you can move? Can you please cross check? Is your temp is null, sir? No. So while your temp dot next is not equal to null, your temp dot next is not equal to null. What we have to do? Sir, you need to take your temp will become, so temp dot next. You have to move this particular loop, sir. Sir, is your temp, Teja, that we will discuss in the program. Don't deviate. Okay, don't go in detail. Okay, now observe carefully. Sir, here if you see temp is equal to head, this is the temp. Is your next field is not equal to null? This is the next field. Is it equal to null? No, it is not equal. Condition satisfied. Temp will become temp tends to next. This is the temp. What is the next field? This one. Now this one will become temp. Excellent. Sir, temp is not temp dot next. Temp dot next is pointing to this one. Is it equal to null? No, it is not equal to null. So temp will become temp tends to next. Sir, is temp tends to next is not equal to null? No, it is equal to null. So loop fails, it will come out from this. Have you observed? This node name is there. This node name is there. Now easy to link, right? How you can write instruction for linking that one? Very simple, sir. I am going to write temp dot next field will become new node. That's all right. Sir, now already temp is there. New node is also there. Just we have to link these two. There ends the matter. Sir, now a new linked list got framed up. Yes. So this is the way how to insert a new node at the beginning of the list and how to insert a new node at the end of the list. Okay. I think you people got a very clear clarity about these things, sir. Can you please confirm any doubts up to this, everyone?
Yeah, I have query, sir.
Yes,
So,
please.
yeah, you are mentioned head. So, head is the variable or like it is
It
defined
is a
keyword,
pointer. It
right?
is a pointer. It is a pointer. Something like
Point.
we are taking integer x is equal to 10, like that we are going to take. So in the same way, that particular temp and then head, these things are nothing but names for, here I have given node, new node, right? In the same way. Don't
Okay.
worry, just think at top level, sir. Diagram and then just the words, that's all. In detail, what is new node, what is head, that we will discuss in the program.
Okay.
At
Sure.
this stage, don't depend too much, okay? Because it is just a demo, how I am explaining how the things will be, that's all.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you, sir.
Right. Sir, any other queries? Please respond. Please respond, because only few
So
people are responding.
here the so your new node is reference, right? Or you can say
Yes,
object.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
so
New node is object.
in yes, sir. In if condition, head is equal to new node. So we are initializing
No, no, no. How you
object
how?
into head, right?
No, 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 no. We are not initializing
Okay, sir.
object into head. If head is equal to null, means what? In the entire linked list, we don't have any elements. Empty linked list
Right.
is there. If empty linked list is there, means what? The node which you have created, it will become head, right? So
Yes, sir.
already head is already new node is pointing something. Now your head is also pointing to the new node. That's all. Previously, what is the value of header? Null, right? Because it is not referencing to anything. So you know Java, right? For example, if you create student yes, so what will be the
Yes, sir.
value of yes? It is null because empty
Null.
reference. So once if the student object created and if you assign the reference, then it will be pointing to that. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. So I hope it is also very clear for you people, guys, right? Right. So I think in today's session, just I explained merge sort and then insertion of a new node into single linked list. Sorry, inserting an element at the beginning of the single linked list and ending of the single linked list. Okay. So maybe with this I will stop. But before that, just as usual, I want to show you so how the things are going to be work and how these diagrammatic representations will be there. All these things. Okay. So you can able to see here different batch algorithms I am going to take. So that linked list you can see here with the help of example programs, how the pointers are going to be pointed, how you can able to represent the nodes. So code will be there at the same time, the explanation also will be there for each and everything. So this is very, very important because diagrammatic representation is always recommended for these kind of data structures, sir. Okay, that's why everything with step by step process we are going to discuss how it is going to work. Okay, so this is nothing but just today's demo session. With this I will close today's class. Anyway, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Tomorrow also I am going to take some 3 topics like so one program related to the stack, one program related to the queue, one program related to the recursion. I will try to explain, and even one program related to the array rotations. Okay, and also string rotation. So these based on this one program I will explain. Okay, so with that tomorrow demo session I'm going to close, and from Wednesday or Thursday we are going to have our regular classes. Okay, the people who are interested to continue in this batch, you can immediately start making the payment and you can get registered for this. So we are going to share that entire thing in a Google Drive. Okay, we are going to create a new Google Drive. So already DSA batch 4 is there. So in this you can expect the complete content, sir. Okay, already some people registered for this course. Maybe tomorrow morning I am going to give access for you people. Yeah, you can see. So images also I am going to store. Okay, regular running notes will be there here. Just you need to open and you can cross check up to whatever we have covered, it will be there. Okay, and you can download and you can practice simultaneously. And if any images if you required, I think yesterday we have discussed some images, right? So that part is there here, you can able to see. So yesterday's class, okay, like this we are going to upload on daily basis and also topic wise demo class images. Suppose if anywhere stack related things I'm going to take stack images, like that I'm going to store. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have about today's demo session. Remaining things will be continued from tomorrow as usual. Okay, right, sir. So thank you If you are having any queries, you can feel free to ask. Otherwise, remaining people, you can leave the meeting. Thank you, guys.